Your reality is a brain-generated illusion. Look around you right now. The screen you see, the room you're in. Do they really exist outside your head? Every second of your life, your brain is crafting a seamless illusion, a perfectly orchestrated reality constructed entirely inside your skull. And yet, you're convinced this is reality itself. Consider your eyes. They're not windows to the world. They're sensors, collecting scattered fragments of light. Each fragment converted into electrical pulses, sent into the dark void of your skull. There, in total darkness, your brain builds a vibrant simulation. And here's the kicker. Your brain doesn't just reconstruct reality. It actively alters it. In your visual field, there's a blind spot, an area your eyes literally can't see. But notice something odd. You've never noticed it. That's because your brain conveniently fills in that hole with whatever it guesses should be there. Right now, at this exact second, part of your view isn't real. It's a best guess, an approximation, a glitch fixed on the fly. If that isn't unsettling enough, here's another fact. Your brain lives slightly behind the present moment. Exactly 80 milliseconds behind, to be precise. In neurological terms, that's an eternity. Every sensation, every sound, every sight, you're experiencing a delayed broadcast. Your brain stitches these delayed inputs into a coherent now. In other words, your entire experience of this present moment is actually a slightly edited replay. So if your perception is delayed, if it's edited, if it's constructed, what makes it real? Philosophers have grappled with this question for centuries. Realists argue there's an objective world out there, independent of our perception. But idealists push back, claiming that the external world is nothing but a byproduct of consciousness itself. Let's do a thought experiment together. Imagine you wake up tomorrow and suddenly your brain decides to flip two basic colors. Red becomes blue, and blue becomes red. But here's the catch. Your brain also alters all your memories of these colors simultaneously. Would you ever even notice the difference? Would the change even exist if you can't detect it? Suddenly, reality feels a lot less stable, doesn't it? Or what about dreams? Every night, your brain constructs elaborate worlds, scenarios, and people that feel as vivid and real as anything you experience awake. And yet, upon waking, you're quick to dismiss them as illusions. But how exactly do you know your waking life isn't just another form of dream? If your brain can deceive you so easily while asleep, what's to stop it from doing the same when you're awake? The truth is, nothing. Now, consider this. If every aspect of your reality is constructed internally, how can you ever trust your senses again? If reality is just neural patterns in your skull, then who or what is perceiving those patterns? And this leads us to the most troubling question of all. Who exactly are you? Are you the brain itself? The awareness observing the brain? Or merely the illusion the brain produces? You see, the line between your mind and reality isn't blurred. It never existed in the first place. Every sensation, every memory, every thought, they're all just neurons firing inside a dark, silent space. You're a prisoner of perception, locked within your skull, interpreting endless electrical noise. Your entire life, you've been living inside an elaborate neural hallucination. So, what do you trust now? Your senses, your memories, or perhaps nothing at all? This unsettling truth leaves you with just one final question. Are you truly awake right now? Or is this just another carefully constructed illusion?